Hey guys, this is Lane Hill from Unlimited RV in Riverbend, Missouri. Fresh off the truck behind me is a 2024 Alta 2600 KRV. Come check this thing out. You start with a painted fiberglass front cap, this beautiful, stunning white gel coat fiberglass, Asdel in the sidewalls. You get one of the biggest front pass-through storages on the market, and I like that it's tall enough you can kind of shove a tote in there or bigger chairs. Really nice vacuum bonded aluminum structure. Outdoor fridge. Goodyear tires from the factory. Solid step. Coming inside, 5/8 tongue and groove floors. Big pantries. You're gonna have a porcelain toilet in that bathroom. Nice walk-in shower with a low floor. Plenty of towel space over to the left. Speakers, TV, and fireplace right across from your recliners. In your kitchen, fold-up table here for extra space. Plywood kitchen drawer boxes. They have very nice lighting in the interior as well. Lots of good accent lighting. They have the new residential 12-volt fridge in these. So really big freezer size compared to what you get in most travel trailers. Suburban tankless hot water heater. King bed in here with plenty of walk-around space and a sliding door. Big cabinet space. And under the bed this year, they did this really cool design. You can put a little extra clothes there and maybe your dog. If you do bring them with you, doggy bowls. Come back outside, we'll take a look at some more stuff. So LP quick connect out here on the back. Spray port, black tank flush, and that Suburban hot water heater. Spare tire, rear ladder, 50 amp. They have Lippert powered stabilizers, and they have separate motors for each of them. The slides rest on a rack and pinion, and they're laminate on every slide corner, so you get a very, very solid slide box. G20 tinted windows, the front stabilizers, and probably my favorite thing about Alta is this water hookup. All inside, got your solar charger right there, the 2 batteries, and then your power jack up front. Any questions y'all have, please hit us up. We've got a bunch more Altas coming here soon. These 24 models look amazing and they are great prices. Come check us out to get a lifetime warranty.